All right, Dave, Nastassia. We're here at the Santa Monica Farmers Market to pick up some citrus. Some of the best produce in the entire country is grown right in this area. We're gonna make a cocktail tomorrow. It's called the Straightjacket, something I've been developing. It's Glenlivet 12-year from Pernod Ricard, really beautiful single malt scotch. Some kind of citrus cordial. We're gonna have to taste some stuff and see what's best, but the kicker is we're gonna clarify the juice from the citrus in the Spinzall and make a shelf-stable cordial that'll be good essentially year-round.
All right, let's do it.
Great. What do you think, Dave? What are you feeling for this drink?
So I'm thinking we might want to take a shot with the Kinnows.
So we should try it.
Oh, those look great. How's it feel?
Mild.
Ooh, that's good. I think the Kinnows are gonna be the move. What do you say we get a bunch?
Okay, perfect.
So we got these remarkable Kinnow tangerines. Let's turn them into a cocktail.
All right, first, we're trying to use as much as possible, right? So for the cordial,
Yeah.
save the peels.
Use all possible portions of the fruit. Another important sustainability practice is to actually make sure you're getting good yield on your product. There's nothing left but flavorless pulp. When you're clarifying something in a Spinzall, you have to treat it with an enzyme called pectinex.
If you don't do it, it won't clarify. This is a step people think that they can just put it in and spin it, but
Yeah.
it won't work.
You're gonna add pectinex. At the same time, Spinzall, which is a wine finding agent. Give it a stir, let it sit for 10 minutes. We're now gonna add the second wine finding agent, Kaidasan. Stir, 10 more minutes. The final step is going back in with Spinzall. And once again, 10 more minutes.
So we've waited, it's completely treated. Now we're gonna pour it in the Spinzall to actually clarify it. This is gonna start spinning, and it's gonna take all the solids that are in here and separate them based on density and make a completely clear product. Fire it up. People don't really know how fast citrus boils, but citrus goes downhill really quickly.
Yeah.
Making a cordial out of it is gonna keep it in like a beautiful, it's different from fresh, but it's beautiful and it lasts basically forever. It doesn't need to be refrigerated, it's shelf stable, it's a good thing to have around. Been running like 6 minutes, 7 minutes.
Yeah, so
See
we
how
can
clear-
see that it's...
Oh, it's hard broken, yeah,
Yeah.
it's very clear. All right, open it up, Jack.
Oh, it's so clear. There's that ring of pulp that we've compressed into the rotor, and then that beautiful clear juice is left. Sometimes solid particles will come out with the juice, so we just give it an extra strain at the end.
All right, you wanna make a cordial?
Let's make a cordial. Oh, look at that, gorgeous. At this point, we've got our cordial, we've got the Glenlivet, we're ready to make a cocktail. So, this is the Straightjacket cocktail. It's gonna get saline solution, like 5 drops per cocktail, 1/4 ounce of the cordial we just made, and then 2 ounces of Glenlivet 12-year single malt scotch. We're gonna stir these down.
Cheers.
Hey, cheers.
It is a delicious drink.